Hello learners, welcome to my channel CS Learning. In this video, we are going to discuss about Python programming language and Python fundamentals. So, what is Python and what about Python fundamentals? Basically, Python is a computer programming language. Okay, we all know that in order to communicate with a computer system, we need a language or we need some medium. So language can be C, C++, Java, Python or any other computer language. Here we are discussing about Python. So other than Python, you can see there are many other programming language. Here I have mentioned some Java, C++, C, and other than these also there are many other programming language. So what is the history of Python? Let's know about Python a little bit more. So just see, Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991 when he was working with the National Research Institute of Mathematics and Science in Netherlands. So it has been introduced by Guido van Rossum. Python can be used as OOL or POL. Now, what is this OOL? This is object-oriented language or procedure-oriented language. That Python can be used in both the ways, procedure-oriented or object-oriented. Okay. Now see, Python supports both object-oriented and procedure programming language, as it is a high-level programming language designed for general-purpose programming. Python are multi-paradigm. You can write programs or libraries that are largely procedural and object-oriented. You can use different kind of inbuilt functions of Python. There are so many inbuilt functions that we can use, and that is called procedure oriented, object oriented, and we can build up our own logic. We can use the logic and we can build up our own functions, our own logic, and do the programming. Okay, so that is procedure oriented. So object oriented means we are using the inbuilt things that is already provided by Python, and procedure oriented means we can build something new in Python as well. Okay, now see, we are learning why we are learning Python. We are learning Python over here, but why we are learning Python? There are some reasons, some big reasons that why we have chosen this particular programming language for students, and why standard 9 to 12 mainly in CBSE board they are having Python. Okay, so see, Python is very easy learning language as most of its syntax seems to be like an English. It is possible to get desired output in a minimum instructions. It is interpreter language, so it will take less time to run the code actually. It is complete language in itself and is very easy to download and install. Okay, and it is platform independent, it is portable, it is free and open source. Now, how what is the possibilities of Python? We will see how to download Python bit later on, but before that, let's see what are the possibilities. See, we can use Python to build a GUI app. We can use Python to build web apps, games, GBMS app, or scripting. Okay. Now, one more thing I just want to mention here. We can use Python to build any kind of application or software. Uh, Even that, we can use Python to do AI or to do the programs of data science, machine learning, and AI as well. It is very easier to do the things of data learning and machine learning using Python because it provides a huge number of inbuilt functions, as well as we can build our own functions in Python whenever we need. Okay, we can do the customization as per our need in the programs, right? That is the thing. Now, how to download Python? See the website I have given here, www.python.org. This is the official website of Python. You can go to this website and you can download Python. How to work with Python? There are two ways to work with Python: interactive mode and script mode. I have already made a video over in this channel that over this topic, that how to download Python from website, and how to work with Python with interactive mode and scripting mode. See, both the modes are having their own style of working. Interactive mode works with a DOS prompt or in a Linux prompt, that is in the command interpreter mode. And if we want to run a full code, a complete code, we can use a script mode. Okay. Now I have shown this all things in details in separate video. One video is there for downloading, how to downloading Python and install it, and how to use Python with scripting mode and in interpreter mode. So if you want to learn more about all this, just check out my videos uploaded in this channel. Okay, in the next sessions we will learn more about Python. So please do share and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you very much.